In the previous video, you saw that the meta elements are not particularly helpful for us developers to change, but they're helpful for the browser and the web page to represent our document correctly. Now, in this video, I want to share with you two meta elements which are helpful for us. So one is actually called meta with the name of description. So I'm going to put it in description, and it will have certain content. So let's say I'm writing this web page about me, and it's all the content about Aziz Ali. So I'm going to say this is a page about Aziz Ali and all his adventure. So when I do that and I go to my page and I refresh, nothing happens. There's nothing over here, nothing in the title. This meta information has no effect visually on the page. The place where this meta description comes in handy and helpful is for search engine optimization. Basically, this is information for the search engines to categorize this page correctly. So when people are searching for your information, the right pages show up on the search listings. So just to show you an example, I'm just going to simply Google something random. I'm just going to put in like something, and the first listing shows up and it says looking for online definition of SOMIT, or SOMIT stands for, right? You see this title is always the title of that particular web page. The URL is the URL of the location of the page, and this is the description. So if I actually go to this page and actually view source, if I right click, inspect, or view source, and look for the meta element over here on the page, look for it. If it's there, it doesn't have to be there, but if this website put it, you see the meta description has, oops, scroll up again. This meta description has looking for online definition of SOMIT, or what SOMIT stands for. This is the same information which Google has conveniently put in the listing. Now, since the web and the search engines have become more intelligent, a lot of times they will not put in your meta descriptions directly. They may pick up certain content from your web page and put it over there. But that's up to the discretion of the search engine. But as web developers, as web designers, it's our job to put in this information so our websites are search engine friendly. One more meta element is called the meta element with keyword. So name is equal to keyword, and this basically are a bunch of keywords that represent this particular page. So again, in our example, let's say this is a page about me. So the keywords are going to be Aziz Ali, and then programming and stuff like that. So any keywords that represent this page. Now again, search engines use these keywords to categorize all the pages for the web. But again, since web pages search engines have become more sophisticated and intelligent, they actually rely less and less on the meta keyword element. So that's pretty much it that I want to share with you in this video. Make all your web pages with title, the helpful titles, helpful descriptions, and make your web pages search engine friendly. Talk to you in the next.